So hello friends, welcome you all in the cold world. So in today's video we are going to watch a assignment operator. But first of all, if you have not watched my previous video which is on the comparison operator, please go and watch it because we are going to use a comparison operator also. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see a assignment operator. Basically, assignment operator what means assigning the value to some variable. Okay, so there is some theory part also. So first of all, equal to means assigning the value. So it will assign value from right side operator operands to a left side operands. Okay, we will see it. So first of all, let me define some variable. Let's take a equals to 21 and a 21 and assigning b a value, some anything you can assign. Let's take 10. So and assigning c equals to value 0. So in assign operator, what we will do, we will assign some like c equals to a plus b. So here a value of a plus b, assigning to its value is assigning to the variable c. So let's print assign operator in print assign operator and put its value equals to c. Okay, so let's print it and let's see what we are getting. So okay, I have not run this, so that's why it is coming. So perfectly we are getting the 31 because a plus b. So 21 plus 10 we will get a 31. Okay, so and let's move to next. So add and, so plus and equals to means add and, so it's take right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. So let's see a plus and equals to. So here what I will do, here I will take a value c, and first of all I will put plus sign and equals to a. So what here I am doing, so I am first of all adding the value of a and assigning it to value of c. So you can find it here, we get the value of c is 31. So if I add a value of a into a 31, so 21 plus 31, it will give me a form 52. So let's print it and let's see we are getting a correct value or not. So here I will take a add and operator, add an operator. So here I will define a value of c because we are storing that value of in a c variable. Okay, so let's see by running this. So perfectly we are getting a 52. Okay, so add and what it will do means plus equal to, what will it will do, it will first of all add that variable and assign that variable into a c. Okay, so after it we have the minus equals to, same as it will subtract right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Okay, so let's see. So here what I will do, I will take a variable c and first of all I will minus it and assign the value of a. So if I am minus 52, so at from, so for updated value of c is 52. Okay, so in 52 I will minus a value, so 21, I should get a 31. Okay, so let's see by printing it, print sub, subtract and subtract an operator. So let's find and assigning it value to C. So let's run it, and you can see we are perfectly getting. So you can see we are perfectly getting a value of 31. Okay, so and next is multiply and it multiplies the right operand with the left operand and assign the result to left operand. Okay, let's see multiply and. So what here I will do, I will assign a variable C, I will store the value in C, and first of all I will multiply it equals to, in 31 I will multiply it by B. Our value of B is 10, so it should give us a 310. So let's find, print it, multiply and operator. Okay, so here I will print value of C. So we are guessing that we should get a 310 value. So let's run it. So perfectly we are getting a 310. So our code is right. Okay, what here I am doing, I am first of all multiplying the value of B and assigning that value into a variable C. Okay, so another is divide and. So divide and it divide left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. Okay, so let's see. So here I will define variable of a C and divide by and equals to 10. Let's set B. Okay, so our value of B is 10. Okay, it should divide 310 by 10. So let's see what we are getting. Divide and operator. So we put the value of C and let's see what we are getting. So perfectly we are getting a 10, 31.0. Okay, since it is a single division, so we will get a value in a floating points. Okay, so module and in module and what it will do, so here you can see module and it takes modules using two operand and assign the result to left operand. Okay, assign the some value to the, let's 31 we have, so it will divide it and let's take it, it will divide by 2 and now so C equal C module equals to B. So let's see what we are getting. Print modules later. So here define the value of C. So let's run it. So we are getting the modules and operator 2. So what modules what module will we get, give us, so it will give us a remainder. Okay, if you don't know what is module, I have explained it in a previous video, previous video. Please go and watch it, an arithmetic operator video. Okay, so we are getting a value of 2. So in exponent what it will do, here I am assigning it. Exponent means power. Okay, perform exponents or a power calculation on operation and assign value to the left operand. Okay, same as. So let's see. So here I will define a powers 2 equals to 3. So we are getting the value of C equals to 2. So it will assign and a power. It will take the power is to 3. Let's see. We are getting a correct answer not. So here I will exponent and operator. So we define and see. So let's see what we are getting. So we are getting perfectly answer. So 2 to the power 3 we will get 8. So we are getting perfect answer. So here come floor division. So in arithmetic operator we have discussed what is floor division. So floor division and here, so in assignment operator, floor division and it perform floor division on operators and assign value to the left operand. Okay. So here let's take C equals to, so C floor division means double division and equals to 2. So let's print it. Floor division and data. So let's put a value of C. So let's see what we are getting value. So here we are getting the value is 4. So basically 8 divided by 2, we will get the value answer 3 only. So here we have finished with our assignment operator also. So hope you like this video and understood what is assignment operator and what includes in assignment operator. And if any problem is there, please comment in the comment box, and please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.